On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 2013 Ford Focus ST. So the Focus ST is the replacement for the Ford Focus SVT, and its main competitor is the Volkswagen GTI, Mazda Speed 3, and Honda Civic Si. It comes with standard 18-inch wheels with 235/40 R18 high-performance tires. So this car comes with the SC3 option. It comes with leather Recaro seats, dual climate control, heated seats, navigation with touchscreen, and 10-speaker Sony sound system, and also HID headlights. So all Focus ST comes with a 6-speed manual standard transmission. It has excellent handling due to the torque vectoring on the front wheels. Also bigger brakes than the standard Focus. Tuned suspension with 0.4 inch lower than the standard Focus. Ford Focus ST. Hope you like the video. I suggest you subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.